Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is me Swetha. I have this Eid look for you guys. So first of all, I'm gonna start with moisturizing my face. So I'm gonna use this Olay moisturizer on my face and spread it evenly, and then I'm gonna use this Nykaa BB cream. I'll be listing down all the details of the products that I'm using in this video, and I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I didn't use any foundation, I just wanted to go light. And yeah, once I apply that, I am dabbing it with my fingers and blending it out. And now I'm using the translucent powder from Sugar Cosmetics and setting all the liquid products that I used now. Once that's done, I'm doing my eyebrows with Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown and blending it out really well. And today I'm going to use this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills called Subculture, and I'm going to start with a dark brown color on my crease. Usually I start with a very light color. I just wanted to try this method. So I'm gonna make my eyes smoky first, and then I'm using this concealer to create a cut crease look. So yeah, you just use this on top of your lid, and then once that's done, I'm using this mustard yellow or light brown color on the lids where I used the concealer, and I'm blending it out really well so that the true color of the eyeshadow is really seen. And now I'm using this shimmery bronze color only on the center of my lids just to create that shiny look. And only on the centers and on the inner corner of my eyes just to brighten up the eyes. I'm just going in again with that dark brown color on the outer ends of my eyes, and then I'm using the same dark brown color under my lash line as well. Once that's done, I'm using the Nykaa Kajal and lining my waterline. And then I'm using this Lakme liquid liner on top of my lids and creating a wing. All the details will be listed down below with links. And I'm using the Maybelline mascara. Don't forget your lower lash line. Once that's done, I'm gonna contour my face with Sugar Cosmetics mini bronzer. So I'm using this contour brush for that, and I'm blending it out really well. And I'm using the same bronzer to contour my nose. And then I'm gonna highlight my face with its liquid highlighter, and I'm blending it out with my fingers. Now I'm going to use this Miss Claire blusher just to give that blush look just on my cheeks, a little bit very light. Today I'm going to use this brown bold color from Maybelline, and I'll be listing down below the lipstick shade number and details and with link. And then I thought of going with the natural lashes, but then I thought I'll just add false lashes from PAC. And we are pretty much done, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll be posting videos every Monday. I'll see you guys next Monday. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.